Every trader dreams of that one moment, the breakthrough. The day the charts finally make sense, emotions fall into place, and trading stops feeling like a fight. But before that moment arrives, every successful trader passes through a stage nobody talks about, a silent stage, a frustrating stage, the stage between knowing what to do and being able to do it consistently. In the beginning, trading feels exciting. You study patterns, candlesticks, setups, and risk management. You imagine yourself making consistent profits and living the freedom you've dreamed of. But once you go live, everything changes. Your emotions take over. You hesitate when you should act. You act when you should wait. You doubt yourself, overtrade, or exit too early. And that's the hidden stage, not failure, not lack of knowledge, but the emotional gap between learning and mastery. This is where real traders are built. This stage feels unfair. You take good trades that still stop out. You watch your analysis play perfectly after you exit early. You wonder if your strategy is broken, if you need a mentor, or if trading just isn't for you. But the market isn't rejecting you. It's revealing your weaknesses, impatience, fear, greed, ego, overconfidence, not to punish you, but to prepare you. See, this stage doesn't reward good behavior right away. You can follow your plan and still end the day red. Meanwhile, someone trading recklessly might get lucky and win. That's the psychological trap that makes most traders quit. But the ones who don't quit, the ones who stay disciplined in the fog, they're the ones who eventually break through. Because this stage is not about winning money, it's about learning to master your reactions. The market is neutral, your emotions are not. Every time you avoid revenge trading, you sharpen your patience. Every time you accept a loss without breaking discipline, you build resilience. Every time you follow your plan, even when it hurts, you level up internally. This is the stage that separates dabblers from professionals. Amateurs keep searching for new systems. Professionals keep refining themselves. Eventually, you reach a moment of quiet, not because the market got easier, but because you did. You stop chasing entries, you stop reacting emotionally, you take a trade, manage your risk, and accept the outcome with calm. That's the beginning of consistency. And before we go deeper, ask yourself this: are you struggling with fear, doubt, hesitation, or overtrading? Most traders fail not because of bad strategies, but because of unmanaged psychology. You won't notice the exact moment you transform. It doesn't arrive with a big win or huge breakthrough. It arrives quietly, when losses stop shaking you, wins stop inflating you, and you start following your rules because they protect you, not restrict you. You begin to care less about being right and more about being consistent. You stop trying to control the market and start controlling yourself. And that's the shift that creates real traders. This hidden stage is long, it's uncomfortable, it's lonely, but it's also the birthplace of every consistent trader you admire. Nobody skips it, they survive it. When you're in this stage, it feels like nothing works, but you're not failing, you're evolving. This is the quiet growth phase before success. The market isn't punishing you, it's pruning you. And one day, you look back and realize the charts haven't changed. You have. Your reactions are calmer, your decisions are cleaner. You're no longer trading to feed emotions, you're trading from clarity. You finally understand that the market was never your opponent, it was your mirror. Your biggest losses came from emotional reactions, not bad strategies. Your breakthroughs came from self-control, not better indicators. In this stage, you stop blaming the market and start taking responsibility. You see losses as feedback. You understand that consistency doesn't come from more setups, it comes from more discipline. You begin recognizing your patterns. Overtrading comes from trying to prove something. Hesitation comes from fear. Breaking rules comes from impatience. Slowly, you begin trading with intention instead of impulse. You stop craving excitement, you crave accuracy. You realize the trader you're becoming matters more than the profit you're making. Because once you master yourself, you've already mastered the game. Then something deep inside shifts. You stop needing to trade and start choosing to trade. You stop fearing uncertainty and start respecting it. You stop chasing money and start practicing discipline. And that's when trading becomes simple. Not easy, but simple. You have a plan, you execute it, you accept the result, and you stay calm. Eventually, you see how trading shapes your entire life. Patience, discipline, emotional intelligence. You become steadier, more focused, less reactive. And at this final stage, something beautiful happens. You begin to enjoy the process with clarity instead of chaos. You wait like a hunter instead of chasing like a gambler. And the peace you feel becomes your new edge. This hidden stage is where traders are truly made. It's quiet, it's difficult, and it's absolutely necessary. Because once you learn to stay calm in uncertainty, profit becomes a byproduct, not a pursuit. And when you reach that point, you're not just a better trader, you're a different human being.